Hello friends. Welcome back to TESTOFF channel. The correct answer will be shown 10 seconds after the question. You can pause the video if this time is not enough for you. Don't forget to share your results in the comments below the video. Subscribe to TESTOFF channel and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. He made an unfavorable impression on me. You won't promise it, will you? It hasn't sunk. I'm lucky, aren't I? You got tired, didn't you? She asked me if I had been waiting for her for a long time. She asked me whether I liked my job. I need to see how profitable it will be. She asked me how much money it cost. She said that she had been watching his channel for more than a year.